understand. First definition is worksheet. A worksheet is single page in a file created by Microsoft Excel. Worksheet is one single page in a file created by Microsoft Excel. Grid lines in Excel are the horizontal and vertical gray lines that differentiate between cell and worksheet. So the last line, differentiate between cells and worksheet. Okay, let's consider this diagram. Let's look at the A1 here. This cell is A1 and this is a vertical line that separates the cell A1 from B1. So this is how a grid line is differentiating between the A1 and B1 cell. So this is the definition. Differentiate between cells in worksheet. A spreadsheet is an electronic document. A document is a paper form, like this is the document, a single document. If I see it into a computer, if I create it into a computer, then if I get a hard copy of it by printer, that is MCQs in our chapters 2. So this is the hard copy now. So for suppose this is my computer, it's into a computer. This is my computer screen whole. It's a soft copy, and if I get a printout of it, it's a hard copy. So if it is into a computer, it's electronic document, okay, in which data is arranged in rows and columns of a grid and can be manipulated. It's not manipulated, it's a manipulated. No, it's a manipulated and used in calculations. So why we are learning Excel? We are learning Excel so that we can make formulas, okay. So manipulate is to control something, control any document, control any mechanism with some tools and with a lot of skills. That's the definition of manipulated, and that's all for today.